I think he's supporting Celebrity Cricket League 2012. He's here for that. And it's good to see Sreesanth turn up to watch this game. We are coming live from the Chinnaswamy Stadium. That's the cricket league we're talking about. This is the Parlay CCL Season 2. It's turned out to be quite a great hit among the fans here. Not only here, even before that, we were in Hyderabad and Kochi last weekend. And that drew a great response from the crowd, about 50,000 people in Kochi, about 30-odd thousand in Hyderabad. So it has caught the people's fancy and attention.
Throwing the first one hard. That's good effort in the deep from Sudhir once again. Ball definitely has been following him, and he's been doing a great job with the ball in hand as well. Picked up two very important wickets in the last over.
Good work there with the captain. He's put his best fielders on the boundary line, who have a good arm, who can cover, and has got the so-called not so agile fielders inside the circle. Oh, bowled him. Oh, this is a great comeback by Karnataka Bulldozers. 2 wickets in the previous over, and this time it is Abhimanyu who has struck again for his side. They are 4 down. They are crumbling at this stage, the Rhinos.
Yeah, absolutely. Just missing the line completely. He's bowled neck and crop on that occasion. Just trying to work the ball on the onside. Abhimanyu picking his first wicket in his 3rd over. And they are all joyed and pumped up. And why not? Shant threw the man out. Couldn't do much for 4. 124 for 4. So last few overs, Chennai Rhinos just losing the way. That's again a very good delivery. Probably just hitting him too high. Abhimanyu has been very impressive. The last wicket to fall of Shantanu. Didn't have much clue about that one. The ball just shaping in. Trying to work the ball on the onside.
Sticking to a good line, a wicket-to-wicket line. And at this stage, the batsman is looking to go for the big shots. And if they miss, there is a strong possibility of getting a wicket. That's what happened in that case. It's a good, sensible bowling from the Bulldozers right in the end. So they have picked up the wickets of the settled players. Now, new men are at the crease. It's not easy for them to score some big shots here. They have come back in this match. Karnataka Bulldozers, the local side. Goes again, hits it straight into the air. There is a fielder coming underneath it. It falls short of the fielder from deep square leg. And meanwhile, they have run 2.
Yeah, he opens his account, Ramana, with that stroke. Was in the air for a long time, and a deep square leg just coming in. Was always going to be very tough for him. The ball just dropping short, way ahead. Now the big problem is 2 new batsmen in the crease for Chennai Rhinos. Don't have much time as well. Once again striking nicely, man in the deep. Running the first one hard and coming back for the second. That's excellent running.
It's a pretty long boundary that side off the wicket, the onside. Gave enough time for these 2 players to run for the second. The fielder is stationed right at the boundary line. Doesn't have such a strong arm. And at this stage, they need to run. They need to run hard. Ramana is quite capable with the bat, but he's lost the support of Shantanu, who looked good in that brief innings of single-digit innings. Before that, Vikrant, Vishnu, both of them back in the hut.
Once again playing in the air, man coming underneath, and that's taken. That's another wicket falling for Chennai Rhino, just losing the way here. Abhimanyu, he's been very impressive, varying his pace, and that has really paid rich dividends for him.
Went for the big one, didn't connect it well, a thick outside edge in the air, and quite a simple catch to the fielder at short third man. So it is Ramana who goes back for 6, is 129 for 5.